teach from your own story. When you have the lived experiences, you can tap into the mindset. How were you thinking? What were your habits? What were your behaviors when you were going through that challenge, okay, that you want to help somebody else avoid or navigate? What did you experience? That's going to help you tap into the psychographics that you need to tap into in order to start selling the course before you create it, as well as to start creating more effective content for your courses. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. I've helped hundreds of creative entrepreneurs and business owners to take back their free time, generate additional revenue, and celebrate while living that work from anywhere lifestyle through creating online courses and digital education. So I'm super excited that you guys are here. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Right? Let's get it. Hello, what is going on? Awesome party peeps. It's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First, and I'm going to make this one quick and to the point per usual. If you don't know what we do on this channel, we talk all things premium courses, luxury coaching, and mentorship brands, and really how we start to build those out so that you can package your expertise and get it out to the rest of the world, the people who need it. And that actually brings me to the topic for today, okay? It's not just the whole gigantic world. It's the people who actually need it. And so we really have to start niching down these topics. So for your courses specifically, when you think you have a course topic or something nailed down, I'm encouraging you to niche further. And I'm going to give you an example really quickly that's going to help you start to think about your course topic a little differently. If you are new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when more episodes like this drop. IG, what's going on? It's good to see y'all on as well. Okay, let's get into this real quick. A lot of times when you're niching down course topics, you're niching the demographics about the audience that you want to serve and not necessarily the psychographics. Okay, so we'll break those two concepts down as well. When you know your audience, it's easy to start niching down your topic. Of course, your topic should be based around your life experiences. It should be based around your knowledge and the things that you know about what you know, okay, in that particular area of expertise. So I always say expertise is this pro tip, is not just about, when people hear the word expert, for instance, they start to think I'm supposed to know everything I need to know in this particular lane, and that cannot be further from the truth. Your expertise is just a combination of your knowledge and your lived experiences, okay? That's it. Knowledge, lived experiences to this point, meaning to where you currently are. The more you continue to grow, the more you continue to live life, okay? You'll learn more, know more, but also have the wisdom to back up your knowledge. Your wisdom, again, knowledge is the wisdom is the application of knowledge, okay? My grandmother used to say, my aunties used to say all the time, when I would say something was crazy or wild or I couldn't believe it happened, they're like, just keep living. Okay, so just keep living, and we continue to gain more wisdom, more knowledge, more understanding. So there's that piece there. So you likely have an idea about what you want to teach, where your course topic should be based on your knowledge and your life experiences. Where you're going to start to niche down is you're going to start to understand who exactly you want to serve. Who's the audience for the course that you are creating? Once you start to understand more about your audience, you can start to niche down even further your topic, as well as your messaging and the people that you want to serve. So let me give you a quick example. For instance, let's say that I was a fitness trainer and I wanted to do an online course, and I came and said, I want to help women who want to get in shape. Okay, there's a very, very broad topic. There are a lot of us out there, okay, who constantly want to get in shape. This is a market that, of course, is not going anywhere. So I can say, I want to help women get in shape. That's very, very broad. In order to start niching down, you start to think about what are your life experiences specifically, okay? Whether, you are a man who has helped a bunch of women around around you, your sisters, aunties, mom, all of those folks, people have come to you for advice, or you are a woman who is seeking to help other women to start to get in shape. So you start to think about, what's my knowledge around this area? What is my experience around this area or this topic that I want to teach about? So that will help you start to niche down a little further. Okay, so then we get into the demographics, is where people usually start to niche down. So I want to help women who are, let's say, over the age of 35 to get into shape, right? It's still very broad. All right, we've narrowed down a little bit, but we know based on our experience, we've probably helped women who are 35 and up start to get in shape. Okay, that's your lived experience. Now I want you to think a little further about psychographics. Okay, so demographics have to do with like age, gender, salary. There are these like tangible things that we can directly measure. A lot of times you'll see these on a chart somewhere. What's going on, Hunter? It's good to see you on. You'll see these on a chart, right? Easily Googleable, as I like to say. But the psychographics are where we start to get into, how does this audience think? This is really where you have to tap into your wisdom. This is really where you have to tap into your lived experience. And this is why it is so hard for people who have not lived the thing that they are teaching about. Pro tip, okay? I'm just going to put it here. This is why it's hard for people who have not lived the thing that they're teaching about to sustain success, because they haven't gone through it. They're teaching from somebody else's life experience, teaching from something that they learned from somewhere else. But when you have the lived experience, okay, this is why it goes so hard to say, teach from your own story. When you have the lived experiences, you can tap into the mindset. How were you thinking? What were your habits? What were your behaviors when you were going through that challenge, okay, that you want to help somebody else avoid or navigate? What did you experience? That's going to help you tap into the psychographics that you need to tap into in order to start selling the course before you create it, as well as to start creating more effective content for your courses, okay? So as you start to think about that, if we continue with our example about women over the age of 35 that we want to help get in shape, let's take it even further. Okay, now we get into women over the age of 35 who are busy running successful careers, okay, who are climbing the career ladder, who are maybe getting additional degrees, who are running a household. So busy moms who have to go to soccer practice, who want a slimmer waist. Okay, it's not just about now getting in shape. It's about, what do they actually want? Like, and what are their actual challenges? They're busy. They can't get to the gym as often as they like, but that deep desire is going to be a slimmer waist. Okay, it's going to be to watch the numbers on the scale decrease, even though I don't believe in using a scale. Okay, to this day, yeah, I'm more about like, what does it look like? Okay, and maybe that's going to be the concept now. And so helping busy moms over the age of 35 get the hourglass shape that they want without sacrificing all of the hours in the gym that they think are necessary. You see how more niche that is? And we can go even further with that, but I'm going to keep it here for a second. In fact, shameless plug, I help you go further in my live training that is happening on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. I'm actually teaching a live training. It's called the Global Authority Movement. And on day one, I'm helping you go deeper into niching down your topic so you can speak to the people that really need your courses and start to pre-sell them before you create them, okay? If you're interested in getting started, go to jumpfirstacademy.org/global. You'll see the full schedule of every single day and what it is that we're covering. Things from your topic to understanding who your audience is and how you can start pre-selling your courses at higher price points so you do not have to wait until it's all completed and finished before you start making money and making impact. I have not, Hunter, but I'll check it out. What is going on, Ghetto Planners? Good to see you. Running intermittent fasting is the easiest way. See, tip right there. You already know from your lived experience, okay? I love that y'all are interacting in the chat. What's going on, Jamie? It's good to see you on as well. I hope that this is super helpful in helping you start to think about how you can further niche your topics, okay? It's not just about going general, because a lot of times we think that we've niched enough and it's not enough. If you niche even further, I promise you're going to attract more people who are interested in paying you higher price points so that they can get a deeper impact, okay? So you take the time to go deeper first, and then you'll find the people, you'll attract the people. You won't even need to go find them, okay? You won't even need to go searching. You'll attract the people that are meant to come into your world so that you can help them go deeper, and they'll pay higher, okay? I don't know if I said that, but I'm gonna say it again. I do know I said that, but I'm gonna say it again because that's very, very important. Higher, serving higher, I believe, is selling higher. Like, you can go deeper in your premium courses, and that's why I go so hard for premium courses, because you can get deeper with the people that you are meant to serve. They want to go there with you, okay, and they're happy to pay higher price points in order to get the personal touch points, okay, to really help them transform their lives. Again, if you're interested in getting started, you want to learn more about the Global Authority Movement and how you can start to do this for yourself, go to jumpfirstacademy.org/global. I dropped the links in the description down below, along with some additional resources that are going to help you get started, okay? I appreciate y'all so much. Hunter says you're so energetic. Thank you. I appreciate that. And I haven't even had my coffee yet, my full coffee yet. So you can imagine, okay? I appreciate that. Jeremy says, agrees, says, yeah, she's just full of energy. We can see the way you talk, amazingly full of confidence and energy. I really appreciate that. Thank y'all so much. I appreciate all of you all for being here. I'm sending you much, much love. Happy Friday to you. Also, let me know where you're watching from. I always love to see the global reach of these messages. And don't forget to send this out to somebody else who may need encouragement or may be looking to elevate their businesses through courses and mentorship and coaching programs. All right. I appreciate y'all, or just they're looking for some energy. Okay. I appreciate y'all so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, and the bell notification so you know when more episodes like this drop. And check the description down below to grab a resource to help you move forward. There are some free resources there as well. I just want to help you get whatever's in your head, that idea that you have, out of your head onto paper so that we can get it into the hands of the people who need it most.